1. Sydney. The Australian dollar has fallen against the US dollar at 0.635 AEST on Tuesday. The local unit was trading at 75.85 US cents, down from 76.00 cents on Monday. 2. Sydney. The Australian market looks set to open lower ahead of the Reserve Bank's interest rate meeting later in the day, at 0.645 AEST on Tuesday. The share price index was down 19 points at 5,399. 3. Frankfurt. The 19-country Eurozone lost some economic momentum in August, largely because of a slowdown in Germany. A closely watched survey shows, days ahead of another possible stimulus package from the European Central Bank. 4. Frankfurt. After 18 consecutive months of buying government bonds to pump up the economy and raise inflation, the European Central Bank's holdings hit a landmark last week. €1 trillion. $1.48 trillion. 5. HANGZHOU. Chinese President Xi Jinping has told British Prime Minister Theresa May he is open to a bilateral trade agreement between the two countries. A British official told reporters at the G20. 6. London. Britain will leave the European Union and restore its sovereignty. The minister responsible for negotiating Britain's exit from the European Union says, vowing there would be no delay and no second referendum. 7. Youngstown, U.S. Republican presidential nominee Donald Trump, who has accused the Federal Reserve of keeping interest rates low to help President Barack Obama, says the U.S. Central Bank has created a false economy and that interest rates should change. 8. Amsterdam. Dutch greenhouse gas emissions rose by 5% in 2015 from a year earlier, Statistics Netherlands says, again highlighting the difficulty the country will have meeting its Kyoto Protocol commitments by 2020.